All right, let's go to the next one. So multiplying and dividing is going to be very similar to the last lesson. So this is not going to be that bad. The first thing you want to do when you're multiplying is you just want to factor. So what's 4x and 8 have in common? They have 4. So I'm going to factor out 4. So 4 divided by 4 is just x. 8 divided by 4 is 2. X squared minus 81. Notice that's a difference of two squares. Difference subtracting, that's a perfect square. That's a perfect square. So it'd be x plus 9. X minus 9. Oops, I'm going too fast here. Skip ahead. On the bottom, I have x minus 3. I can't do anything with that, so I'm just going to put parentheses there. Here, I got to find what multiplies to 18 and adds to negative 11. What about x minus 9, x minus 2? Negative 9 times negative 2 is positive 18. Negative 9 plus negative 2 is negative 11. All right? Now, here's the rule when you multiply. You're allowed to cancel anything on top with anything on the bottom. So anything on the top, any common factor on top can be canceled with anything on the bottom. Doesn't matter which fraction it's underneath. It's like x minus 2 there can be canceled with x minus 2 there. X minus 9s are underneath the same fraction, but that's fine. So you're left with 4 times x plus 9 divided by x minus 3. Now remember, for the restrictions, the bottom cannot equal 0. So restrictions, the bottom cannot equal 0. So x minus 3, x minus 9, x minus 2, they all cannot equal 0. So you set each of those equal to 0. Okay, and we'll get x by itself, add 3, x cannot equal 3. Add 9, x cannot equal 9. Add 2, x cannot equal 2. So x cannot equal 2, 3, and 9. Okay. All right, now, and this gets a little trickier on the next one. We have to be careful about this one. On this next one, okay, when you're dividing, you never want to divide. When you're dividing, what you're going to do is you're going to flip and multiply. Okay, flip and multiply. So I'm going to rewrite this. I shouldn't, well, I'm going to rewrite this because I'll go too fast. Oops, not equals. So flip x squared minus 2x minus 48, and then 7x minus 56. All right. Now we're going to factor everywhere. So here, what multiplies to negative 48 and adds negative 2, that would be x minus 8, x plus 6. Here, what multiplies to negative 6 and adds to 5? What about x minus 1, x plus 6? Here, these have 7 in common, so x minus 8. All right. So then x minus 8 can cancel. X minus 1 can cancel. X plus 6 and x plus 6 can cancel. So all I'm left with on the top, everything cancels. So I'm just left with 1. On the bottom, everything cancels but 7, so this would be 1/7. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to see what makes the bottom equal 0. So x minus 1, x plus 6. I don't need to worry about this 7. It's a constant. Just the parts of the variables. These cannot equal 0, so I set each one. I'm going kind of slow here. Now, you figured out a pattern here. You could just, y'all could do this a lot faster than me. I'm just showing you the work. But you set each binomial equal to 0. And then negative 6, 1, and 8.